Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into Axis Bank account online using your mobile device. To access your Axis Bank account online, first of all, open up a web browser on your device. Inside the URL box, type in axisbank.com and search. Once you end up in the official website for Axis Bank, go ahead and tap on the human icon at the top right corner. Here you will be able to see login options for personal, corporate, new for business, and so much more. To log into your personal account, tap the login button right next to personal at the top. You can also go ahead and expand the mobile banking option and sign in using the Axis mobile app on your mobile device. Download the Axis mobile application on your smartphone and log into your account. I'm just going to log into the internet banking in today's video, so let's tap on login right next to personal. You will then end up in the login section. Here you will need to enter your login ID or customer ID. If you don't want to enter your login ID or customer ID, you can also enter your debit card number. Simply choose the debit card number option and type down your debit card number, enter your ATM PIN and log into your account, getting a one-time password. To sign in with customer ID, you can tap the login ID or customer ID button and type down your customer ID or your login ID according to your preference. After typing down the detail, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Write down your correct password for your account. If you don't remember the password, you can simply tap on Forgot Password and follow through the reset process. After entering your credential, go ahead and tap on the drop-down under Login Directly To and choose where you want to end up right after you log into your account. Finally, click the Login button at the bottom of the screen and you will then be able to sign into your Axis Bank online banking account. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.